way to keep Michael locked up or kill him. But for now, staying busy is good. For all of us.
Okay.
You know, I gotta say, I got a pretty good feeling about bringing Rowena in on this one. I think her and Sam have a chance of cracking it.
They do have many books.
Yes, they do.
Hey, Dean.
I'm fine.
What you're doing, and even just sitting here and having a cup of coffee is a Herculean feat. I can't imagine the willpower it's taking to keep Michael imprisoned. Are you really fine?
I don't know, Cass. But that's what I'm supposed to say, right? I'm fine. Keep on moving. That's what we all say.
No, Dean.
Okay. There's this pounding in my head. It never stops. Michael's in there, and he is fighting hard to get out. And I can't let my guard down. Not for a second. I'm barely even sleeping.
Well, that's not sustainable.
No, it's probably not. But no point complaining about it. It's on me.
No, it's on us. We are here to help you.
I know that. And I appreciate that. I do. Look, before the kid gets back, I know I agreed to give you guys time.
Hey, Dean, and we will find a solution.
Okay, but if you don't, we still have plan B.
Dean, come on.
Coffin, Ocean, done.
Are you all right?
I'm fine.
Hey, see, look at that. Everybody's fine.
What?
Nothing.
Okay, these killings, it seems like there's a ritualistic quality to the crime scenes, right? It's almost liturgical.